PDO sutures or NovaThreads are synthetic sutures that are placed in the skin that will dissolve over time. Now, these sutures have been used in cardiac surgery for decades. When it comes to cosmetic uses, it's a way of placing these sutures under the skin, very painless. We numb up the area where we're going to place these sutures, and they're put under the skin, and what it essentially does is it will tack up different parts of the skin that seems to have fallen over time. If you place these threads in a certain fashion, you will create more collagen that will build up fine lines and smooth them out. There's very little bruising when we do this, if any. There's essentially no downtime. Patients will feel some discomfort during the procedure and for a day or two afterwards. Nothing that limits them, really much with anything. The results are immediate, and these results will last for years. How long? 2 years, 3 years, maybe more, maybe a little bit less. But it is fun to see a woman or man, I've had them done, come into the room. Their ride or their partner might be waiting for them in the waiting room, and 10 minutes later they come out. You really don't see any bruises or holes or anything that was done, but all of a sudden these wrinkles that they walked into the room with aren't there anymore, or they're dramatically better. And it has been fun to see some of the reactions. Not many providers are doing PDO threads, but they have been around for a while. At Benmore Restorative Medicine, I'm an instructor in the placement of these threads, so be careful. If you find someone who does it, make sure that they have experience. These threads are absorbable, they will go away over time, but the results often last longer than the threads themselves. So PDO threads, it's a wonderful addition to what we have in our office when it comes to facial rejuvenation.